Hi friends, welcome to Integrately. In today's video, we will learn how can we connect our FormKeep app with Google Sheets using Integrately. My case is when a form is submitted in FormKeep, I need to create a new row in a specific Google Sheet. So first things first, let's select the two apps, FormKeep, Google Sheets, okay. As you can see, I have a ready automation. I can click on this. If you have some other requirement, you can just use the trigger is same for form keep, but you can change your actions. Let's select. Our automation is ready because it's a one click. So we'll check it now. Okay, let me add my connection from Google Sheets. Let's add connect for form keep. Okay, it's a webhook, so I need to follow a set of instructions. I need to go to form keep integrations, then click on webhook. Then I need to paste this URL and save. Okay, let's copy this. So let's go to form keep integrations. We can see webhook. Let me paste my webhook URL here. Let's say save webhooks. Let's go back to Integrately. Now it says now I need to send a test record. This is to establish a connection between FormKeep and Integrately. So you need to submit a sample request, which means we need to go back to FormKeep. I need my form. Okay, you go for setup. This is my form. I'll need to copy this in a new tab. I will paste my form. Let's fill in the form. Suppose it's Martha and Saunders. Okay. I want 2 sunglasses and 3 scarves and 2 necklaces, suppose. Maybe okay, I'm just filling anything. Okay. Suppose. Okay, we have sent a dummy form submission. Let's go back to Integrately. I'll click on this and say test connection. As you can see, it has fetched all the details, okay, from my form.
Now let's switch to Google Sheets and see how we'll go about integrating these two. So now we need to select our spreadsheet, okay, worksheet. So what I've done is I had copied all my form fields as the column headers in my Google Sheet. I'll show you my Google Sheet. As you can see, these are my column headers, okay. You must have column headers in your Google Sheet. Only then Integrately will understand in which field do you need to map that or send that data from your trigger app. Let's go back. For name, I have the name. The email, I have email. Sunglasses 2, scarves 3, necklaces 2. Now comes address line. I'll say address line, same 2, city, state, code, country. Okay. Now my last field is date and time of order. So I have this created at. As you can see, within a few seconds, we have actually mapped all our fields. Now what's left is last step, test and go live. and your automation is ready. Let's quickly check if this was sent to my sheet, and you can see the details have been pasted successfully in my Google Sheet. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you.